their personal case, Huzur. He says in Bangladesh normally doctors in the case of rheumatic fever they give some injections for 1 million or sometime what else 1 million, the power is almost 1 million and in allopathy
1.2 million
or 1 point.
Allopathy is no question around potency. I understand this.
I don't know. This is some sort of injection. They have got some potency in it. I don't know. So
you don't understand the terminology, perhaps. It will be something else. Potency is only used in 1 million or 100,000 in homeopathy, not in allopathy system. So whatever it is, let's forget about it. So that causes 70 to 80% cure
by homeopathy. In some, he says in the specific case of his brother, his mother gave homeo medicine and he was almost 70 to 80% okay. After that they took him to India and they injected him one injection of the same power again, and it caused the whole disease again came back. That's what you mean?
Complete recovery.
So bolen ki
did you get complete recovery or what?
No. Actually his mother is not interested in giving that injection, in pushing that injection. So what is Huzur's advice?
He says he already injection is given.
Yes. After 80% cure, we was unable to use
any effect after that or not?
नहीं, अम्मी कहते हैं कि वो इफेक्ट होगा बाद में, अभी पता नहीं चला लेकिन बाद में होगा. तो अम्मी कहते हैं कि स्टॉप करो, हम वो अभी ठीक होगा,
मान जाओ, ठीक है,
फिर इंजेक्शन नहीं देना.
अभी क्या दे दिए?
नहीं, कहते हैं कि 10 साल देना पड़ेगा. वो 10 साल तक पेनिसिलिन देना पड़ेगा.
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं देनी,
बिल्कुल नहीं देना. ठीक, जज़ाकल्लाह.
सवाल ही नहीं.
अस्सलामु अलैकुम.